we're going to learn ABC sounds, words,
flowers,
and writing. Are you ready? Say yes, Sophie. Let's go. Apple. Red or green apple?
The apples grow on trees.
B, ball. Bounce the ball. Shoot the ball.
They're throwing the ball to each other. Kick the ball.
C, cow. Moo.
What colour is the cow? Yeah, it's black and white.
D, dog. Dog.
Look at the doggy. It's wagging its tail. It's going for a walk. To be gentle with the doggy. Gentle.
E, egg.
Eggs come from the chickens.
Chocolate eggs. F, frog.
What colour is the frog? Yeah, it's green. A green frog in the water.
G, guitar.
Can you play the guitar?
H, hat.
Look, what are they wearing? Hats. That's right, hats.
I, insects. Ooh, insects. Wow.
What insect is that? Yeah, it's a snail. And this one? It's a ladybird.
J, jam. Jam.
We put jam on our toast. Yeah, jam. Strawberry jam.
K, kite. Kite, fly your kite. Wow.
Let's fly our kite high in the sky. Look at the kite.
L, lion. Rah.
Look at the big lion. Oh, and this is a baby lion. We call it a cub.
M, milk. Milk.
Baby is happy with his milk. Mama giving baby milk. What's the little girl doing?
N, Nose. Where's your nose? Nose.
Nose kisses. And we sneeze, achoo, achoo, with our noses.
O. Orange. 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 Wow.
Oranges grow on trees. What are they making? That's right, orange juice.
P. Panda. Panda. Oh, panda.
What color is the panda? Yeah, it's black and white. It likes eating bamboo.
Q.
Qua, qua.
Queen. Queen.
What does a queen wear? Yeah, a crown.
R. Rainbow. It's a rainbow.
The colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
S. Sun. It's the sun. Wow. I love the sun. T. Tree. It's a big tree. Can you say tree?
What color are the trees? Yeah, they're green. And look, what do we decorate at Christmas? The Christmas tree. And what grows on trees? Flowers.
U. Umbrella. Umbrella. To stop me from getting wet in the rain. Umbrella.
Look, she's dancing with her umbrella. And she's turning her umbrella. Turn.
V. Vegetables. Eat your vegetables.
Vegetables are so good for you. Where can you get vegetables? You can grow your own vegetables. Or you can buy vegetables at the supermarket or a farm.
W. Whale. Wow, a big whale. Whale.
Where does the whale live? Yeah, in the ocean. It's the biggest ocean animal.
X-ray. X-ray.
Look, this is an X-ray of his feet. The X-ray shows our bones.
Y. Yo-yo. Up and down with the yo-yo.
This yo-yo is spinning.
Z. Zebra. Zebra.
Wow, look at the zebras. What are they eating? The grass.
Let's say and write the alphabet together.
Okay, follow me with your finger. We're going to write the letters. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
A,
Go round and down.
B,
Gonna go down and around.
C,
And go round. Yay!
D,
We're gonna go round, up and down.
E,
Let's go round and around and stop.
F,
Yeah. We're gonna go round and down and across.
G,
Go around and swing.
H,
We're gonna go down, follow and around.
I,
Down and a heart.
J,
Down and swing.
K,
Down, up, down.
L,
Just one stroke down.
M,
We're gonna go down, then we're gonna go all around, and another hump.
N,
We're gonna go like down and around,
O,
round, pop,
P,
down and around.
Q,
We're gonna go round and down.
R,
Down and hook.
S,
Around.
T,
Down and across.
U,
We're gonna go round like that.
V,
Down and up.
W,
Down. Up. Down. Up.
X,
We're gonna go down and down.
Y,
We're gonna go down and then down and swing.
Z,
We're gonna go across, down and across.
Wow, girls and boys, fantastic work. Amazing. Can you give me a high five?